3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolizali, a mastermind of campanology. KTR Kyle the ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Calvin here. Today we're in the sensory room of George Hastwell School again, and because some teachers and staff don't know which switch works what, I'm going to show each one. So if you see this one, if you do that, it'll turn that off, and then turn it on again, and then it'll work. So this one here, right here on the walls, this controls that, and then, and if you turn this off, you'd see that up there, it turns that off, but switch it on to get it to work there. And with this, it'll turn that off. So if you look, switch it back on, and then you'd see an infinity light, which they call it infinity tunnel here. Then you'd see this, you'd see that there, it'll control that, I think. Let me look. Yeah, that one gets turned off, and then it'll turn back on now. And if I show you here, this would control the speed of it, see? That controls the speed of it. And this will control the sensitivity of the mic on it there. This here, you'd say that turns that off. That turns them off. And for this, no one found out how to turn that on. But if you look here, switch off and the light on that will turn off. So switch on like that to get it to work, and you already know how to use that because I did it just before, guys. But because actually I'll put these together or something, or no, I'll do them as separate vids, then do a vid of putting them together. So if you need to know how to work all of them, you know how to. But if you see this here, that should be worked from a switch around here. Don't know where that is, so I'm not gonna do that one. Not gonna do that switch because I don't want all these working. But if you see, this is with all lights on, I mean off. But if I turn the light on now here, you'll see it doesn't really go very well if you have the lights on. So if Jazz's School want to make it, if you want to make it work better, have the lights off like that. Oh, are you trying to work that, Lee?
Yeah, what does this do?
If you look at it, it's supposed to have something to change stuff. So if we see it, if it does anything, if I touch it, don't know what it does actually, to be honest, Lee.
Not sure.
LED cascade, actually look, I think it controls that. Let me look. If you pick blue right there,
Blue.
it should show what it does. Actually, I think it controls that. Let me try green and see if anything turns green. Oh, it turned green when I pressed that.
Okay.
Press the blue and see.
Blue.
Let's look, don't press anything, and let's put red and see if it does red.
Okay.
If it does, guys, let me press it and see. I think it's that. Nah, can't find out what that does. So we'll have to find out what that does for a future one, guys. Sorry we couldn't figure out that one, but you already know how to use that from my previous vid. So this is how to use all the sensory room. For those that don't know how to use it. So if you enjoyed and found it useful, then please subscribe for future content and tutorials, and stay chimed for updates or stuff. And make sure you share this vid to people who will find it helpful. So that's all the tutorial for the sensory room. So if you enjoyed and found it helpful, please subscribe and stay chimed for future content. Until next time, ring out.
Check it out.